ये छोटा हो गया ना
भैया
देखो
कौन सा मॉडल
ओ ऐसा
तुम क्या ऐसा कर ऐसा था ना मैं ऐसा कर क्या हो गया
ओके Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is on fog light clamp. Okay, I have been looking for a very sturdy, strong fog light clamp. I couldn't get it. Whatever available online, they're not that strong. Some were, yes, some I found, were made of aluminum or cast iron. So there are high chances of getting cracked or broken if you tighten it just very hard. So I didn't want to risk using something that is not reliable. So I have been looking for a very sturdy clamp, and lots of ideas being shared by my friends, and then the one idea being shared by Dipen Bhai. He asked me to use the cycle horn clamp, something like that, and then I started searching for a similar one online, and lots of ideas I got, and some other clamps came into my mind, and I've been searching for, and I couldn't get it. And then somehow, somewhere, I stumbled on this, what do you call it, rope clamp. And even though that's a small one, and I got an idea, and I was looking for a bigger one, for a 1-inch size, or the 25 mm, something like that, and nowhere I found it. So I have decided to make it myself. Then I contacted my friend who is running the welding shop, and I shared the idea with him, and then we started this project of making the clamp. We put lots of effort and time. We kept measuring back and forth, and we need to make the holes, and lots of stuffs, right? And so it was worth actually. By the end, I got what I wanted, a very sturdy clamp. Okay, I just want to share the location of the store, the welding shop, if you guys wanted to go there. Here is the shop in Banjar Layout near NPS school. If you want to contact me, you can go ahead. He is the guy. Okay, and after I brought that home, I used the remaining TVS spray paint that I had. So the end product is very, very beautiful. Okay, here it is. And when I installed it on the bike, it looks so good. And the best thing is it's so strong and sturdy. If anybody wants, you can contact me or go ahead and make it. You can always reference this. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and keep sharing. Please do comment, like, share. Thanks for your love and support. Bye, take care.